Hey, I'm Nick, and today I'm going to show you how to make baby food right at home in no time at all. So I have 6 organic pears here that I washed thoroughly. I'm just going to peel the skin off these. And then I'm going to cut them around the core. And then we're going to take those pieces and we're going to cut them into chunks all roughly about the same size. You don't have to go crazy with the size here, because everything's going to be pureed anyway. So I got a steamer pot here, and by steaming the fruit as opposed to boiling it is going to lock in a lot more of those vitamins and nutrients. So we'll add all our pears here, and we have our water simmering over a pot. We'll add our steamer pot over the water, pop the lid on, let this cook about 10 minutes or so. After 10 minutes, they're fork tender, and these are ready to blend. So just add all our pears right to the blender. Now we don't want the puree to be too thick, so halfway up the fruit, we're going to add formula, breast milk, or filtered water. Turn the blender on and let it go until it's smooth. Shouldn't take long at all. We'll just add that to a container, and that's it. Homemade baby food. This will keep in the fridge for 5 days, or you can store it in the freezer up to 3 months. 15 minutes and you're done. I appreciate you watching. See you next time.